Okay. Careful ha. Mahulog ka. What do you see? Ooh, wow.
They're moving.
Ha? Anong sabi nila?
Hop, hop,
Hop, hop, hop.
hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 hop. Let's go, going. Let's getting back.
Tawagin mo. Come here. Woo! Did you see that?
Gulat ako.
Ano? Gulat ka?
Bakit may glasses si Grandma?
Si Grandma. That is Grandma Cory.
Kaya doon, dito tayo dito.
Tara, dito natin. Tingnan natin doon. Kung anong meron doon. Dito ka sa gitna. Baka mahulog ka eh. Oh, anong pinag-usapan nila? They're talking, oh. Sige, forward ka pa. Forward. Sige, ay dito. Ano kaya to? Let's try here. Let's try this way. Let's try. Come on. Let's see what's in here. Hello po. What's in here? Oh, look. There are 3 white ladies. And may isda din. Sabi. So this is the toilet. Nako, naiwan, no, bukas. Eh! No. Hindi madumi yung kamay mo. Hindi. Come here. Follow me. So this is toilet. And oh, look at those. Tingnan mo yun, water lily. You know, may flower dun sa water, oh. Tingnan mo. Water lily. Vita. Tingnan mo yung tsura. Pakita ko sa'yo mamaya. Pipicturean ko ha, papakita ko sa'yo water lily. Okay, let's go back.
Okay.
Let's try the... Oh, come here. Let's try this. This way. Here. Vita, look. There's an adventure waiting for you here. Come on. Let's go. Uga. Come on, let's try and go upstairs. And by the way, the moon is so big tonight. There's the big moon. And now we're going to continue our... Karga kita? Karga? Okay. Up. Let's see what's... It's too heavy. What's in here? Oh, let's see. We are the explorers. Tabi-tabi po. Maliwanag naman eh. Oh, there's more? My goodness, look at this big Buddha. Guanyin, huh?
I'm scared.
No, don't be scared.
Let's go back.
No, I'm here. We'll see Baba here. This is just the second floor.
Let's go back.
No, we will just look at... Oh, see? It's not scary. We're just on top. Ganda?
Let's go back.
There's Baba. I can see Apple. You know? Ayun. Kita mo? That's Apple. Paul! Apple! Okay, let's go back. Oh my God, look at this. It's a big bird cage. Goodness. It's a big cage of birds. Show Baba. I'm gonna show Baba this. Bab na. Yeah. Oh my God, we had an adventure. Tapos na. Come here nga, bubuhatin nga kita. You're scared.
Oh no!
Sorry. You're really scared. Let's go back to Baba na. Go back to Baba. How about we go here? Kitchen na yata to. Meron pa kaya? Is this the kitchen? Wow. The kitchen is very clean. Okay. Are we lost? Kitchen, ang laki ng kitchen nila, oh. Ang laki. Linis. Oh. Parang si Takordi. Oh, look at this bicycle. Dito ba yun? Look at that bicycle. It's a work of art. Oh my God. You guys scared us. Huh? Meron pa dun, oh. Meron pa dun sa taas.
Chicken banana.
Hold mo?
Here.
Ha?
Kwento mo kay Baba yung nakita mo dun.
Anong ginawa mo? Anong ginawa nyo? Pakain kayo isda?
We explored the place and it's so beautiful. Let's see. Uy. Theme park to, ah. Galing, ah. Teppanyaki boat, bangkang sisig. Itlog na malalaki. Dinosaur eggs, why? Okay, ang ganda nyo. Fairness. Hindi siya tacky. I mean, may mga kainan kasi na parang ano, ayan nga, may mga design na lumalabas, parang trying hard, tsaka tacky. Ito naman, parang achieve naman siya. Achieve. Oh. Well. O, diba? Boat ride. Free boat ride? Really? Nasaan ang boat? Nasaan ang? Hindi naman siya mabantot. Ang lawak ng lugar na to. Tingnan nyo. May tulay pa doon. Grabe. Nakakain ka na, nakapag theme park ka pa, oh, 'di ba? Seashells. Lawak talaga, grabe tong property na to. Amazing. Let's see. Let's see. Reminds me of actually Ghibli yung mga ganito. Ang cute. Ang cute. Parang naisip ko Spirited Away. Okay. Uy. Oh my gosh. Si Obama. Michelle Obama. Barack Obama. Hi. Oh my goodness. There's a big... Anong movie? Galing oh. Maya, babalik ako. Kakain muna kami. So, ayan. Putulin ko ng video. Kakain muna kami.